This is Beard Ball, a really fun game that a lot of people are going to enjoy. It says it's for ages 14 and up, but I suspect a lot of people could have fun with this one. You're going to get a duck's tail beard, a crumb catcher, and a trash stash. These are felt, and as you can see, they're soft and easy to wear. They're not anything like a real costume or anything that's going to be difficult. You get a set of these glasses, which right away provides some protection for the eyes when you start to play. And then when you put the beard on, of course, now you can start to see why it's called Beard Ball. You do get a couple of balls that will attach to the beard, and you've got some cards to help organize the play. There's a dice here as well. And without getting into the whole rules of the game, it's a super fun game to play. Comes with everything you need. Fun for a party or just having fun on a game night.